Hey, we're live. I'm Andrew Martyr from MarketingSharks.com. This just came across my desk from Alessandro Zamboni, and it's free. So a lot of the offers are $7, $17, $37. This is free, and it's from Alessandro Zamboni, who's done a lot of different things. He's going to offer you a couple of ChatGPT manuals, guides, once you sign up for this. But the whole price for this, you put in your first and last name and your email. Boom, you're in there. And then he sends you an email. They show you a couple of offers right there. They send you the email, and there's a zip file, and you go click on the zip file, and it opens up a PDF, and the PDF is about a 10-page PDF. And the only added information I'll add for you is a couple of things. One is the basic ChatGPT is free. I think it's version 3.5. And I'm trying to think where I went to get that. I'll put it in the bottom of the blog post, just because I have that one, and then I have the 4.0. So 4.0 is kind of like the paid one. I don't know, it's $12 a month or something like that I'm paying for it. So the beauty of this is this will give you a very clear idea of how to use ChatGPT or artificial intelligence in a general sense. You'll see the prompt and you'll go, oh, I could adapt that for almost anything. And that's the point of this. It's free. It shows you how to use ChatGPT. You see these things where you can, we'll give you, I think I've seen 7,500 prompts. Well, you couldn't use 7,500 ChatGPT prompts as long as you lived. What you want is one or two or three good ones that get you what you want. And this will show you exactly a bit of a build-up. They show you how to do it for the free ChatGPT, for the ChatGPT version 4.0, and how to adapt the free version so you basically get the same end result as a 4.0. Again, this whole guide is free, and the extra thing I want you to think about is, and I'm just going to look over at the actual PDF as I'm talking about it. So what he basically says to the ChatGPT is, give me the email. So I want you to think more than that, right? This will show you exactly how to get affiliate marketing emails. Bam, it's the whole thing out. But I want you to go one step further. What if you wanted a review? What possible word would you swap out for emails for reviews to get a review to come out? It's that simple. And once you see it done once and you run it through once and you go, hey, here's the copy from the page, make me a review. Hey, here's the copy from the page, make me an email. You're like, wow, this thing can do anything. Ding. And then it's up to you, because now you have a computerized, they can call it artificial intelligence, they can call it ChatGPT. And really all I call it is the computer does the work for you, because it's all computers. It's not like the computer's going to take over the world. It's not like that little face there is about to come into your house and turn your heat up or down, but you can program it to turn your heat up or down. You can do lots of different things with this. And once you see how the prompts work for free, how you can use it with the free version of ChatGPT, you may or may not want to spend the extra bit to upgrade to the ChatGPT 4.0. ChatGPT 3.5 for the vast majority of stuff just works just fine. So check this out. Again, it's free. It's from Alessandro Zamboni. It just came out. I have the PDF still open on my desktop. I just got the email, just grabbed this, just made a quick video. The link in here and the video will take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. I'm at the page. There's not a lot to it, but I'll show you what we got here. So there's the pretty picture of the crazy, he's taking over the world. It really is free. Bam, bam, bam. And this is the beginning. The first page starts off with, there it is. Last two lines here, it'll create one or more emails for you. Literally, you keep feeding it, it'll keep feeding you. So it's not like one email. It's like it could create promotional emails for you for the rest of your life. It could create, we talked about swapping out the word, promotional reviews for you for the rest of your life. That's the power. There, he says it there. That's the power of AI. There you go. Bam, bam, bam. Grab it, and away we go. I'm going to stop it right there. Click the link in the video description. Go check out free. It's It's free. So take that free word right out of your head and make that be the big word, free. And then it's ChatGPT for affiliates, creating artificial intelligence or done by the computer, affiliate emails. And again, affiliate reviews. And again, you can alter this very, very easily to do anything you want. So take a look at this, grab the free copy, check it out. They have some offers there that'll offer you to create the prompts for you and to do different things to show you how to make money with AI. If AI is at all of interest to you, grab the free thing and watch the next couple of offers after that. Go check it out. Links in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Click this crazy guy, and boom, you'll grab a copy of this free ChatGPT for affiliates from Alessandro Zamboni, fresh out like 10 minutes ago. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.